Differentiation VSAQs. First problem. If x is equals to tan e power minus y, then show that dy by dx is equals to minus e power y by 1 plus x square. So here given x is equals to tan e power minus y. I am taking tan to left side. It will be tan inverse x is equals to e power minus y. Now do differentiation with respect to x. Tan inverse is x का differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square is equals to e power y का differentiation e power minus y. But we have to do inner differentiation. So minus y का differentiation is minus dy by dx. E power negative, removing the minus, it will be reciprocal 1 by e power y, and here minus I am writing in front dy by dx. LHS as it is. I need to find dy by dx, so this denominator will comes to this side, it will be multiplying, and minus I am giving to LHS. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus e power y by 1 plus x square, hence proved. If f of x is equals to log of secant x plus tan x, then find f dash of x. So given here, f of x is equals to log of secant x plus tan x. We have to do differentiation with respect to x. F dash of x is equals to, first we have to do log differentiation. Log differentiation is what? 1 by x. X in the place secant x plus tan x. Now we have to do inner differentiation like chain rule. So log over now secant x. Secant x का differentiation is secant x into tan x plus tan x का differentiation is secant square x. Now in the numerator secant x we can take common, tan x left over and one more secant x left over. Denominator is as it is. Now numerator secant x plus tan x is cancelled. So final answer is secant x. If y is equals to cos of log of cot x, then find dy by dx. So solution, given y is equals to cos of log of cot x. Now do differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equals to, first we have to do cos differentiation. Cos differentiation is minus sin x. X in the place log of cot x. Next log differentiation. Log differentiation 1 by x. X in the place cot x. Next cot x differentiation minus cosecant square x. So final answer is minus into minus plus. So sin of log of cot x by cot x into cosecant square x. It is VSAQ, we can simplify like this. If y is equals to log of cos h2x, then find dy by dx. Solution, here given y is equals to log of cos h2x. Do differentiation with respect to x. Y differentiation dy by dx. First we have to do log differentiation. Log differentiation 1 by x. X in the place cos h2x. Cos h2x differentiation is sin h2x. Next inner differentiation 2x का differentiation 2 into 1. So here cos h means hyperbolic trigonometry. For the cos it is plus sin hx only. Simply cos theta means minus sin theta. Don't confuse with minus symbol. So sin by cos same angle, tan h2x, and constant I am writing in front. Answer. If y is equals to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, then find dy by dx. So if we apply directly sin inverse x, it will be very lengthy and critical. So here we have to substitute x in the place tan theta. Why tan theta only means it is looking like 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square. Then we have the formula trigonometry sin 2a. That's why. Next, theta is equals to what here? Tan inverse x. Now substitute in the question x in the place tan theta. Then y is equals to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So sin inverse, it is sin 2a formula. Instead of a, theta is there. Sin 2 theta. Sin inverse, sin remove. So what left out? 2 theta is left out. Next, y is equals to theta in the place what we got? Tan inverse. So 2 tan inverse x. Now do differentiation with respect to x. So what will be? Dy by dx is equals to 2 as it is, only d by dx of tan inverse x. So which is equals to tan inverse x ka differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore answer dy by dx is equals to 2 by 1 plus x square. If x is equals to a cos cube t, comma, y is equals to a sin cube t, then find dy by dx. So in the previous problems we did differentiating with respect to x, but now here we have to do with respect to t. Why? Because x and y in between t another is coming. So do the paper partition. X is equals to a cos cube t. In the first part I am doing differentiating with respect to t. So it will be dx by dt. If it is with respect to x means x differentiation only 1. But with respect to t now, it is only dx by dt. A as it is. Now cos cube. Cube means it is looking like x power n formula. So n into x to the power of n minus 1 means power will come in front and reduce to one part. So 3 cos square t. Next, inner differentiation. Cos inner differentiation is minus sin t. So which is minus 3a cos square t sin t. Give equation number 1 dx by dt. Now in the remaining half part, y I am writing a sin cube t. Differentiating with respect to t. So here dy by dt is equals to a as it is, sin cube ka again 3 sin square t. Sin inner differentiation is cos t. So dy by dt is equals to 3a sin square t cos t, equation number 2. Now I need to find dy by dx. So y in the numerator, x in the denominator. So we have to do equation 2 by equation 1. So dy by dt whole by dx by dt is equals to 3a sin square t cos t by minus 3a cos square t sin t. Numerator denominator 3a cancel and 1 cos sin cancel, 1 cos cancel. So denominator dt also we remove. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus symbol Sine by cos, same angle, tan t. If y is equals to log of sine of log x, then find dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, y differentiation dy by dx. Log differentiation 1 by x, x in the place sine of log x. Next, sine differentiation is cos x, so cos of log x. Next, inner differentiation, log differentiation is 1 by x, so x in the place x only. Now here cos by sine, same angle, is cot of x, x in the place log x, and denominator whole by x is answer. If y is equals to x power x, then find dy by dx. So it is neither looking like x power n formula nor looking like a power x formula. Why? Because base is variable, power is constant, x power n we can apply n into x to the power of n minus 1. A power x means base is constant, power is variable, then we can apply a power x log a. But it is not looking like this formula, this formula. So whenever these situations, we have to write y is equals to x power x, apply log on both the sides. So log y is equals to log of x power x. We have a formula, the power will come to in front of the logarithm. So x log x. Differentiating with respect to x. So left side log y means d by dx of log y is equals to d by dx of x log x. So log y differentiation 1 by y dy by dx. Now right side x is variable, log x is variable, two variables in between multiplication is there. So uv concept, u as it is, v differentiation d by dx of log x plus v as it is, log x as it is, d by dx of u means x. So 1 by y dy by dx is equals to x as it is, log x ka differentiation 1 by x plus log x as it is, x differentiation 1. And x gets cancelled, denominator will goes to right side. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to y into 1 plus log x. We can replace y in the place x power x 1 plus log x. If y is equals to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube, then find dy by dx. So regarding trigonometry formulas, if you substitute x in the place sine, it look like sine 3a formula. So I am taking x is equals to sine theta. So theta is equals to sine inverse x. So then y is equals to sine inverse x in the place sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Sine inverse, it is looking like sine 3a formula. So sine 3 theta. Sine inverse sine cancel, only 3 theta left over. 3 as it is, theta in the place sine inverse x. So now we have to do differentiating with respect to x. So y differentiation dy by dx is equals to 3 as it is, sin inverse x का differentiation 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equals to 3 by under root 1 minus x square. Find the derivative of 5 into sin x plus e power x log x. So I am taking given f of x is equals to 5 sin x plus e power x log x. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash of x is equals to, now you have observed 5 is constant, sin x is variable, only one variable it is. So 5 as it is, only d by dx of sin x plus. But now observe here, e power x is one variable, log x is another variable, in between multiplication is there. So you have to apply the uv concept. So u as it is, v differentiation, so d by dx of log x. Now v as it is, u differentiation, so log x as it is, d by dx of e power x. So 5 sin differentiation cos x e power x, log x differentiation 1 by x. Log x is as it is, e power x ka differentiation e power x. That is final answer. If 2x square minus 3xy plus y square plus x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0, then find dy by dx. So differentiating with respect to x, 2 as it is, x square differentiation means x power in formula n into x to the power of n minus 1 means 2 will come in front, it will be reduces 2x minus 3 as it is. Now observe here uv concept. So u as it is, v differentiation plus v as it is, u differentiation means x differentiation 1 plus y square differentiation 2y, but inner differentiation must dy by dx plus x differentiation 1, 2 as it is, y differentiation dy by dx minus constant differentiation is 0, totally constant 0. Next 4x multiply with 3 table, minus 3x dy by dx minus 3y plus 2y dy by dx plus 1 plus 2 dy by dx is equals to 0. Now we need to find dy by dx. So wherever dy by dx is there, take common. So what will be here? dy by dx, what left out? Minus 3x plus 2y plus 2. Next, without dy by dx, send it to right side. So this will be minus 4x and here plus 3y and here minus 1. So I need dy by dx is equals to, numerator will goes to right side, denominator 4x plus 3y minus 1 by minus 3x plus 2y plus 2. We can conclude here, otherwise take minus table common, numerator and denominator, those cancel, dy by dx is equals to, so this will be plus will be minus will be plus will be minus, again it will be plus by denominator also 3x minus 2y minus 2 is answer.